Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. I'm not going to go into an intro. Got another unboxing for you guys, and yes, I'm doing this actually different with me in front of the camera and doing it over the top down. So, I purchased this item right here from eBay. If you guys know what's going on, currently I have a situation with Amazon. To be honest, packed items like this, I don't like buying it from Amazon whatsoever. I really don't buy shit from Amazon, just so that you guys know. The simple fact is that uh, companies send me products and it always come through Amazon. So they send it, it gets shipped to me, I unbox it and stuff like that. And basically all of them is coming from Amazon. So me personally, I don't use it. I haven't used my Amazon account in a while. The last purchase I made was dealing with the graphics cards. You guys already know about the situation I'm dealing with that. And I got news. There's another video that's coming out regarding towards that, and I found out the reason why they banned my account, which is some grimy shit. I'm going to tell you guys basically why they did that, but it's going to be in the next video. But for this particular item, the reason why I brought this is because the simple fact is when I'm doing business things, I don't like always with my iPhone. I can't do what I need to do on my iPhone when it comes towards writing stuff and doing things and when I need to take notes and when I need to do other things, I literally can't do it. Even with this phone, I haven't upgraded this phone in a long time. This is the Note 20 Ultra 2. And y'all know the only reason why I got this was for a skin for Fortnite. I think it was the Galaxy skin. No, I got the Galaxy skin on my Tab S4 because I got two Galaxy skins. This one, I believe it was for the Iconic skin. So that's why I got this one for it. And I love the stylus pen on it. So at no further ado, let's switch over to the next camera. So over the top right now, let's just move this out the way. I got my iPhone sitting right here. Let's move my iPhone out the way because I do get notifications like crazy. And we want to just move my keyboard to the side. There we go, like that. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. It's weird because I'm in an angle. Where's the... I don't want to accidentally cut the full box. So... Jesus Christ. Alright. Let's switch camera angles. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna start doing recordings like this. I used to do unboxings like this a long time ago, but I stopped because at the time I didn't have what I have now, and it just took me longer to produce products like videos and stuff like that with the audio and stuff like that. So I didn't have strong audio. Let me move this out the way because it might have some information in here that might be sensitive. Yeah. Okay, yeah, sensitive information sitting right there. Okay, so here it is right here. So I have to inspect this thing. Okay, I got my IMEI right here, and I'll flip this upside down. Actually, I'm gonna just do this. Came in a legitimate box, so I can actually sort it like this. They gave a brick, SIM card, and a cable. Okay. I don't think this is what it originally came with, but I think this is one of the legitimate ones. IMEI actually popped up by accident. I'm gonna have to edit the video to remove that, or clip the video, whatever. All right, let's get this out the way. Okay. So let me switch cameras. Let's switch cameras real quick. Okay. So with this one, the seller actually said that he was sending me a Prestige, because this is an excellent condition one. So we're gonna double check. Okay. So what did we get? You can already tell. Oh yeah, they took care of this. Yo, this has no scratches, nothing on it. Just a little minor. Try to get this up for you guys to see a little bit. Just a little minor, like it's not even a scratch. It's like a little bit of a scuff. I don't know. They got a nice little protector on here. Okay, I think I might leave that on here. Let's open it up and see the screen. Oh, this is pristine. Just got a nice little dust on in there. This is pristine. Look at this. Try to shine it in the light a little. Nothing. Like, look at this. No scratches, no dents, no nothing. This is like new. This is in excellent condition, but it's like new. No, I don't see not one scratch on this thing. Okay, we gotta do this. Okay. Only thing I'm just a little concerned is the way how I got the V shape right there. You can kind of see it right there. Let's power this thing on real quick. May need some juice. Nope, has juice. So I literally got this because the simple fact is I needed something that I can use while I'm out on a go. Because this, yeah, the eBay, they just hit me up just now, telling me that my package was delivered. But this right here, let me see, Random Frank P, Digital Foundry, Fortnite. But this, you know, actually I can't pull it out because it's gonna play music. But I got my stylus pen right there. I used to use this all the time, but okay, hit that. Got a little bit of dirt right there. Go back. Let me see, Galaxy Android devices. So yeah, I'm gonna transfer everything I have on this one to this one. Is at 15% battery. This is cool though. I mean, to be honest, I'm hyped for it, but I'm not hyped for it. Let me switch back over cameras. All right, I'm hyped for it, but not hyped for it. I do have my 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 what is it? My glasses over there. I forgot the actual freaking name of it. I can't think of the name of it. But yeah, I got my glasses on here. I'm gonna use that with that. This is pristine. To be honest, this is like a Fold 7. And it's mad thin. Like, bro, like, look at this. I gotta go get a case for it though. I'm definitely gonna order a case. But yeah. To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna be using this part a lot, only for when I need to do simple things. I am gonna get a plan for this. I'm not gonna put it under my Verizon account. I'm gonna put this under probably Boost Mobile or Metro, because the simple fact is that only thing I don't like about folds is because you gotta like literally touch the screen to fold it back up, and I don't like that. That's my main concern. But yeah, this is flawless, excellent condition. This costs $559. With the tax and stuff, came out to $606.18, I believe. Perfect condition, nothing wrong with it. They put a nice little protector on the screen right here. I definitely got to go get a screen protector and a case for this. No cap. I might order it from AliExpress. I do got to do a little bit of test on here. I got to do some of the tests on here to make sure the screen and everything is all right. But yeah, this is fine. And I think I can add some extra storage on here, I think, because I know it's a part on here to add storage. I might take the storage that I have on this phone and put it onto this one. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm definitely gonna play with this. I have my AR glasses over there. Yeah. New phone. I'll be able to do a couple of things with this, and I'm definitely have, oh, and this come with 1 year of Allstate. So I have full protection on here. I didn't have to pay for the 1 year of Allstate. It came part of the package with the purchase. So I get that 1 year after the 30 days. So I'm not complaining. I'm happy. I got the fold. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not excited like I should be excited. I was playing with it inside the store. I guess the reason why I'm not excited for it because I'm not actually playing with it and looking at it. But I just got tired of walking around with my tablet, my iPad, or my MacBook Pro. I just got tired of carrying a book bag. With this, it's just literally out on the go. Throw this in my pocket. I'm probably gonna put a service on it probably right now. I'm probably gonna call Boost Mobile right now or Metro and see how much it costs for the cheapest plan. Like, I don't need no outrageous plan, just something very cheap. Because if I do Verizon, they're gonna charge me like 60 something dollars just to put a plan on this, and I'm not trying to deal with that. So yeah, I'm gonna play with this. I need to go order me a case. I might go to Metro where I'm at and go get a plan for this right now, or call Xfinity and get a plan for on Xfinity, probably like 15 bucks. I think it's $15 a month for that. Or I'll go to Metro. I'm gonna just go online and check out some of the plans and stuff like that. But it is smaller compared to my Note Ultra, my Note 20 Ultra. But that's not the point. The point is the bigger inner screen. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you. You know what? Since I'm right here, let me double check this screen. Oh yeah, this is flawless. There's not one scratch on this thing. Just got a little bit of fingerprints, I guess, when they put this on here, but this is flawless. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna cap. I'm actually digging it. I'm digging it. I gotta get me a screen protector. I'm gonna order from AliExpress or off of eBay. I don't fuck with Amazon. I don't buy nothing from Amazon. I don't buy cases, anything. Let me tell you like this: the reason why I mess with AliExpress when it comes towards cases and other things is because I can get it in bulk. I can buy like 6 cases from AliExpress and pay like $10 for like 6 cases, because you get a lot of cases for like $1. I could get like expensive hard cases, fancy decked out stuff for like $10. You know, like bruh, I had this phone for a long time. If y'all follow me back in, it was like probably like 5, 6, no, it was probably about 10 years ago. After, like right after my wife passed away, 2017. So probably about 8 years ago is when I got this phone. Let me say 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yeah, about almost 9 years ago. That's when I got this phone. So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I know this is a long unboxing, and I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. And I got to take pictures to get a nice little thumbnail for this. So let me just do this, because I actually got to transfer stuff over, and I got to put this on the charger. So got too much dust up on here. Let's try to get a nice little thumbnail real quick. Okay. We're going to switch cameras up real fast. Okay. That's going to be the thumbnail. Let's get it up right there. Okay. And that's my thumbnail. All right, guys. I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Peace.